Let's explore how to create navigation links that don't refresh the entire page. This is particularly useful in single-page applications, or SPAs, where you want a seamless user experience. Let's compare traditional navigation with single-page application navigation. In traditional navigation, each time a link is clicked, it triggers a full-page reload. This means the browser has to fetch a new HTML document from the server. In contrast, single-page applications navigation updates the uniform resource locator and content without refreshing the page. This provides a much faster and smoother user experience. Here's a basic link component. This component takes two properties: ref, which specifies the link destination, and children, which are the content of the link. It returns a standard anchor element with the provided ref and children. To prevent the default page refresh behavior, we need to intercept the click event. Here's how we can do it. First, we define a handle-click function that takes the event as an argument. Inside this function, we call event.preventDefault to stop the default page refresh. Then we can add our custom navigation logic, such as a navigate-to function, passing in the ref. Finally, we attach this handle-click function to the onClick event of the anchor element. To update the browser's uniform resource locator and manage navigation history, we can use the History Application Programming Interface. The navigate-to function uses window.history.pushState to update the uniform resource locator without causing a page refresh. It takes three arguments: state, title, and URL. We're passing null for the state and title, and the desired uniform resource locator for the URL. After updating the uniform resource locator, we trigger a route change event to update the application's content. To handle browser back and forward button clicks, we add an event listener to the window for the pop state event. This event is triggered when the active history entry changes. Inside the event listener, we call the handle route change function with the current path name. Here's the complete link component that prevents page refreshes and uses the History Application Programming Interface for navigation. It combines the handle-click function to prevent the default page refresh, updates the uniform resource locator using window.history.pushState, and triggers the handle route change function. This component provides a seamless navigation experience within a single-page application. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.